Hey guys, yo, what's up? Lightning 000 over here today, and here's bringing you guys another live commentary, another gameplay of Modern Combat 5. Okay, let's get this guy. Okay, I got him, guys. So, what I want to do is continue explanation. Holy, let's get him. Oh, and what's that? PR. Okay, So what happened was regarding my absence on YouTube was actually partially because of there was a server issue, a very major server issue that affected a lot of people, and we couldn't get into the game. They were just keep asking us to get into our or get connected to a Wi-Fi, but then when no matter how we try, oh, what's that? PR again. No matter how much we try, we just can't get into the game. We try many different kind of Wi-Fi, but there's no way we are going into the game. So a while later, on Monday, was it Tuesday? I think it was Tuesday. Um, Gameloft solved the issue. They had a fix on it, and to compensate for our loss or our absence in the game, and because of the event, remember about the event that was going on for the hazard suit and the werewolf suit, and everyone was grinding for it, but those people couldn't, so they gave us power users for a full week, which was amazing. It was very nice. I could do many videos if I could, but I'm kind of busy now, so that caused us to not be able to play, and it resulted in our absence, or rather in my absence on YouTube, because I couldn't do the videos, and I had school even though it was school holidays, because national exams are coming up. Yeah, so pretty much that's it on my explanation. um yeah, so let's just get into the game and talk about it. Oh, okay, got him. I got him. What, no, PR again. Now who's here? Whoa, no one. Let me check. Still no one. Oh, oh, yes. Who's that? Oh my god, let's run. Shoot. Who? Where? Oh, here. No! Run, knife! Stop knifing, man. Stop knifing. Just use a gun, people. Use a gun. Oh, there comes a recon. God damn. Oh, another person. Come on, straight. Go, yes! Another kill. Run. This game is just so intense, man. Guys, I think I will do very bad in this game, but okay, let's treat it as a first time look, which is my first time looking in what is this? Is it scramble? Is it? Oh no, it's construction site. Yes, it's construction site. Night maps in construction site, I think. Whoa, I thought it was a teammate. Dude, that always confuses me, when your teammate dies and dude start impacting. No, what? QKR again. Dude, this guy is destroying me. The QKR Pro. In a previous gameplay, not gameplay, live commentary, again he destroyed me. And now, who get that headshot? Oh my god, there's two of them. Oh, another headshot. Okay, let's go. No, shoot him. Whoa. Oh, no! Stop knifing, man. Stop knifing. Man, these people are pulling my hair. Oh, the headshot. That was obviously a nice headshot. Sorry about that. Another person made him. Seriously, the chop tag. The chop tag had to destroy me. What's that? Chop tag 28? Dude. And opponent takes my kill. And he takes my kill. Dude. These people. Oh my god, my god, my god. No. Oh, okay. I'll take that. Let's find some people. Is that someone? Okay. Got him again. So guys, tell me what you guys like about the map. Okay, wait, someone's here. No! The same thing again as Beanies. Should have done that. Should have relied on that impact to get that. Yeah, so guys, let me know what you guys think about this map. And I think it's about, oh, it is game, guys. I did really bad over here. Too embarrassed to show you guys the score again. You can rewind, you check, and I'll see you guys next time.